Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
BC was the end.
You are suspended.
Yeah, implications. You better do it.
Come implications there. Who? Make sure you say Britain.
I'm not so much.
On the who ya no say was suspended. It is school for them tighten trust in the how be suspended at university. Want to change so cry. Some more professor for chair.
Yeah.
Omo teacher for chair. Omo academic chair. Omo cry. Until my catch LCT for some free university at the vice chancellor's registers. No me chair said you me for the park school see it be anye was here.
Abedio.
Ghana. See anye exam sa e kro no engu. E was here this sheye ba. You bet be ama ye hu se sabi e bi ko. O ti na be pa chere ase. University ubuso proye de kwa bia meka Legon degree BA sociology first no create kwa na 2 years because they afraid be FUE first university exams then no scoring
so when try unko
o ti say
lecture this in 1100 was not scoring
no scoring as the 2 years year course no man ye the SSS by o say colada bon ke say tie fa Africa ho and the Africa ho and FU no cry say twem and I say ni nyina scoring ye the university for that last year in times of emergency on bet ye no ma pia boy but say engage you.
It's true chairman on bet my foundation year crampo
for them what I say why can't we do it why can't we do it enti wasi enye ye ne de ba you enye wasi ya matu owiase. It is a system for me, but never to be aboye because you want share. We have to adopt it. The universities do be entrance exams.
I see.
Yeah. We have distance education. We Ghana now. And you want to do the school. And you want to do the school. What you say? It is the ways I bet we are confronted. BEC there. I am quiet there.
Okay.
Sir, ye was for there or say a trio. That is why baby no you go secondary school you come entrance maybe
yeah
na come entrance why when you now you crowd dey fear do me no san ko for down pass come entrance no you shiom go nche yan carry say you dey above 50 years JHS and so crowd no read a come entrance no to class no read no say crowd very could be BEC and go grow no. So what you say? BEC dan or say the relevance and check ra.
Oh hint me bibiana.
Me hint to bibi.
It shouldn't be
SDG na Ghana na do ye co-chair na President Muhammad na ye first co-chair. And na o free so no and the co-chair the starting man na Nado. Correct? Obviously right to secondary education for boys and girls.
That's
right. Just say right. And Jacolano could write class 1, say primary school, you the right, no, from class 1 to class 6. Or Adameboa, the class exams, it's our exams here, the Crawfordia, and I say, yeah, this sideline here, lots of students. It shouldn't be the termination. The termination point should be at the age of 18.
So that at least when you're in the basic education, yeah, right.
It's the curriculum now, from GSS 1 to SS1. The same common core curriculum no more developing. Why? Because you say ya Columbia terminal point. You say a placement exam, not a terminal exam.
That's
because secondary schools are limited. You need one junior high school, one secondary school. You need some rate proportional. And you want to say only 721 secondary schools in Ghana. But the Colorado do the person who call A55.
Huh?
Top 55.
So quality
less than 10%.
Yes. But double track now, about half, about 390 something schools there, double track. That is why I built this to take out of double track. What you say? But no, the problem is that Aklada chooses school no person called 27,000 students and they choose a person called Kumasi KSTS.
What?
27,000. School de 5,500. What you say? It is the amount online TV me and change a system of assessment. Ye dia grow. Obi di or 21st century. So we have to look at it. and say that okay, say right to education. Yeah, the one contributors inside there. A better than a BEC, the jai as terminal point. That means say they try common entrance, or say try BEC. What you say? You try and schools there, what secondary schools is shut. It will take us time to develop one-on-one. It's the exams, what exams here from? So if the same course now, I don't know what was the first year there. That means exams should show say, oh, because we call Wesley girls. Yeah, but the all call at your mind, and then the all call suit mind. You in your first year, the same course. It's said the last 2 years, courses are collided by you. Tell me, middle school's leaving certificate. A level, there for your first year entrance. Open so Koya Juma, Ukuta O level certificate and that A level certificate. Now the Koya Juma. Say, who goes so jar? Six wasi passes. The free by the beginning.
They say first degree. Officer cadet first degree.
Aha. Minim. What you say? It's your young national exams, sir. You don't compare you with the Koya Juma. And he has said, you'll be able to call university. But everybody should be prepared for the world of work. Our state school prepare will be also with your Koya Juma. Say, you want to create, sir? Won't you got some back? Some may start a doctor.
I know that.
You're national advisor on COVID. Yeah. Assistant. Said the old Payaj Kumti, I want to go paying fees in.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, 8 to now Yako. They will be crying.
Now, when you start your different teacher, get well. Aha. No, what's the people teacher?
Meaning, Opinion me can't say me, in Payophobia, no. Personally, within my heart, highly respected. Only Professor Phoebe.
Dominic Phoebe.
Or much shiny of people's school, I chair primary, I chair. It is a bit so or the summer. I will say a fun news near the true. And Sunday, Jamia Befadako. Then be a catcher for the Phoebe in so on. But say, Jamia Juma no, the Asha with Chibuno. Mima Juma, me your education, and say, the Umbecan may true. Nama. Implement it. For Adam one man, so who can't say, after that, Minimico challenge you.
Will depend on
it is about for who's a Minister of Education, Koswa, more be more than Sahini. In pay you for Techra, or my year Juba Kukuda Noma, or Boka Yetie, Yetie, so the year Juba. What you say? So, Ben your school, qua, and of a catcher say, double tracking yet. So, Onya school kwa no because it's a double track. Your course school dada no. Now holidays here 5 months of the year. Long vac, Christmas, Easter, kaboom.
Yeah.
So say 6 months. What is the big difference? Can you know to be copied oh yeah.
Me.
And your body be peace.
I'm at the book.
Body be course school said your church true. No BS you there.
If I'm Mukoya, the boy the wheelchair about a premper now. Oh, that was moving it. Oh, that was moving.
That means Nanya Honkwa.
Open you here.
Say,
speech.
Yeah, cast stories now. Mammy be on tall or tutu koko or prepper college in chair because of free SHS. The banya they were prepper. Me mumu ye the body by force. Or to koko. Akulaya or wheelchair will nip mammy tum Jenny as a visa. Onya 8 once BEC, Senya Nanadu free education, go to be in secondary school da. Akona odini nyini and they push the war. And the awards for social science Akola.
Almost Sanjay, oh, that is what it is.
That is what it is.
May make us some tuning down and alcohol.
Boy, the Onya 8 once the Gobeko was. Now, Colonel, the boy will fear. And also, exams or passive, but one pass it away. But and now so was for G winning. Now, see a G, the Oyo could daddy the order. If you don't know,
Opoku are 4G, wheelchair push and a car.
I told you I was school.
Oh, but that's
sorry, or Bonnie Frenia.
Wow.
What son, and that you see, free such as the America, Kwame, Ebian Menuba, and the Boko. na de onim nyansa na se ehi obi na mi ba just sabi wo
Prof what dey tell me do buy
wo dey tia prof tie o kaka ya gina chi sabi
Peace FM 104.3 Who to me take